Good morning, children. Welcome to Mahila Samaja online classes. Class 2nd standard, subject mathematics, topic addition. Today we are going to learn adding two-digit numbers with regrouping. Regrouping means with carrying. Dear children, there is an example in your textbook how to adding two-digit numbers with regrouping or with carrying. Let us see. Study these examples. Example 1. There are 58 ducks and 24 swans in a pond. How many birds are there in the pond? Yes, we add 58 and 24 to get the number of birds in the pond. Let us use the following models to understand the process of addition by regrouping. Let us add the ones and tens. Here we have 8 ones and 4 ones. Here we have 8 ones and 4 ones. 8 plus 4, how many? Yes, 12 ones are there. 8 plus 4, 12 ones are there. We regroup 12 ones equals 110 plus 2 ones. 110 plus 2 ones. Now we count the ones and the tens. We have 8 tens and 2 ones. So 8 tens and 2 ones makes 82. Now study the process of addition. Step 1. Add the ones. Here 58 plus 24. How much we should find out? So we will add the ones first. 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4. How much, children? Yes. 8 keep in your mind. 4 in your finger. 8 after count it. 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we will write 2 in the ones column. Carry 110 to the tens column. Next, step 2. Add the tens. Here we will add tens. 1 plus 5 plus 2 plus how much? Yes, 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Write 8 under the tens column. Now you can, the sum of 58 and 24 is 82. Next example in your textbook, add 28 plus 7. First step 1, add the ones. 8 plus 7 equals how much? Yes, 8 keep in your mind, 7 in your fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, 15 ones. 15 ones means regroup the ones. 15 ones equals 110 and 5 ones are there. In 15, how many tens and how many ones are there? Yes, there is 5 ones and 1 tens. Now write in the ones column and carry 110 to the tens column. We will write 15, 5 in the ones column and take carry 1 into the tens column. Now step 3, add the tens. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 how much? Yes, 3. How many tens are there? 3 tens. Write 3 under the tens column. Dear children, there is few mains in your textbook. Shall we solve now? Yes, 27 plus 16. 7 plus 6 how much? 13. 13 means we will write 3 in ones column and take carry 1 into the tens column. Now add these numbers. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, how much? 4. Here we will write 4 in the tens column. Next sum, 36 plus 25. How much, children? 6 plus 5? 11. 6 plus 5? 11 means 1 we will write into the ones column. Another one we will take into the tens column. Now add the tens. 3 plus 1? 4. 4 plus 2? 6. 36 plus 25 is 61. See, 37 plus 45. How much? Yes, so first we will add ones column. Ones column means there is 7 plus 5. How much? 12. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 means 2 we will write into the ones column and take carry into the tens column. Now we will add all these numbers. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 82 is the sum. Next sum, 19 plus 14. Now we will add 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 how much, children? Yes. Now 9 keep in your mind, 4 in your finger. Now 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 means first always you should write ones column, 3 into the ones column, take carry 1 into the tens column. Now we will add all these numbers. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. Now we write 3 into the tens column. Write 3 under the tens column. Now again we will do using some pencils. Here 7 plus 6. Children, now 7 keep in your mind. Take 6 pencils. Now we will using objects we will count. Now 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 means how much we got it? How many pencils are there total? Yes, 13. 13 means write 3 into the ones column and take carry into the tens column. Now we write 3 under the tens column. Now 1 plus 2, 1 pencil and 2 pencils and 1. How many are there total pencils? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. There is 4 pencils, right? 4 under the tens column. Got it, children? How to do? It is very easy, no? Yes. Now 36 plus 25. How much, children? Yes, 6 keep in your mind. Take 5 pencils. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pencils are there. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many pencils? Total 11. Now write 1 in the ones column and carry 110 to the tens column. Now add the tens. 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. Yes, 1 pencil and 3 pencils and then 2 pencils. Total how many pencils are there? Here is 1 pencil and there is 3 pencils and 2 pencils. How many pencils are there altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now write here, write 6 under the tens column. Okay, children. Next sum, 7 plus 5. 7 keep in your mind and take 5 pencils. Yes, 7 keep in your mind, take 5 pencils. 7 after, we count it, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 means, you should write here, write 2 in the ones column. Write 2 in the ones column and carry 110 into the tens column. 2 is in ones place, 1 is in tens place. Take carry 1 into the tens column. Now add the tens. Here is 1 and 3 pencils. 1, 3 and then 4. Here is a 4. Now count it all together. How many are there? How many tens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, we will write here 8. Write 8 under the tens column. Next, 9 plus 4. Now 9 keep in your mind. Now we will count by using fingers. Now 9 keep in your mind. 4 in your fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 means you write here 13. 3 is in, write 3 is in ones column. Take carry 1 into the tens column. Now count all these tens. 1, 2, 3. 3 tens are there. 19 plus 14 equals 33. Now 58 plus 24. What we should do, children? Yes, again 8 keep in your mind. 4 in your fingers. Now 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 means write 2 in the ones column. And carry 110 into the tens column. Now add all the tens. Add the tens. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 2, 7, 8. Now write here 8 in the tens column. Write 8 under the tens column. Next sum, 28 plus 7. 7 in your mind. 8 in your mind. 7 in your finger. 7 in your finger. 5, 6, 7. Now 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 means write 5 in the ones column and carry 110 into the tens column. Now 2 plus 1, 3. Okay. Next main. It is in your textbook. Find the sum. Next, 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8. Now, 42 plus 38 also we will get same answer. 38 plus 42 also we will get the same answer. This is the changing of the property. Okay, now 8 we will keep in your mind and take 2 in your finger. 8 after 9, 10. 10 means write here 0 in ones column and take carry 1 into the tens column. Now 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 5 after 6, 7, 8. Write here 8. Now 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6, how much, children? You also count along with me. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Write here 12. Now 2 write in the ones column and carry 110 into the tens column. Now we will add all the tens. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, yes, 7. Next sum, 5 plus 5. How much, children? Yes, you also count along with me. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 means write here 10, 0. Write here, write 0 in the ones column and carry 110 into the tens column. Now 4 plus 1, 5. And after that 4 is there. 5 plus 4. 5 after how much? Yes, 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 we have to write here. Got it, children, how to do? Addition is very simple and very easy if you understand means. Now again we will write 6 plus 5. Again 5 in your mind. 6 in your fingers. 6 after, yes, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 means right here 11. Write 1 in the ones column and carry 110 to the tens column. Now 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Right here 9. Next sum 4 plus 7. Now 7 keep in your mind. Take 4 in your finger. Count along with me. 7 after? Yes. 8, 9, 10, 11. Right here 11. 1. Write 1 in the ones column and carry 110 into the tens column. Okay. So tens column. Now 3 plus 1 how much? Yes, 3 plus 1, 4. 3 plus 1, 4. Next sum, 21 plus 49. Here, 9 plus 1 how much? If you are adding 9 plus 1, yes, 10. 10 means write 0 in the ones column and carry 110 to the tens column. Now add all these tens. 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4, how much? Yes, 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. Right here, 7. Next, 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4, how much children? 8 keep in your mind, 4 in your fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 means right here 12. Write 2 in the ones column and carry 110 to the tens column. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2, 7 after 8, 9. Right here 9. Next, 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 how much? Yes, 9 after 10, 11. Write 1 in the ones column. Take carry 1 to the tens column. Now 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Yes, here 9 plus 4 how much? Yes, 9 plus 4. 9 keep in your mind. Take out your 4 fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13. Right here 13. Write 3 in ones column and carry 110 into the tens column. Now 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Okay children. Next, here 10 sum 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7 how much children? Yes, 7 in your mind, 4 in your fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11. Right here 11. 11 means write 1 here in ones column, another one tens column you take carry. Now 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Right here 6. Next, 3 plus 8. 8 you keep in your mind and 3 in your fingers. Now 3 in your fingers means 8 after 9, 10, 11. Right here 11. 1 in the ones column. Write 1 in the ones column and carry 110 to the tens column. Now add tens. Now 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 how much? Yes, 4 after 5, 6, 7. Right here 7. Now 94 plus 49 plus 44. How much children? Now first we will add ones. After that we will add tens. Now 9 keep in your mind, 4 in your fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13. Write here 13. 3 in the, write 3 in the ones column and carry 110 to the tens column. Now 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 4, 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. Right here 9. Next main. Third main, find the sum. It is in your textbook, children. Now we will add by using lines. Already we learned how to add using fingers. Now we will add by using lines. Now 8 plus 7. Now we write here 8, keep in your mind. 7, write here 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 means write here 5 in the ones column. Take 1 to 1, carry 110 to the tens column. Okay, now 1 plus 3. Here you write 1. After that 3 is there, write 3. 2. 2 means write here 2. Now count all the lines. Okay, 1 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write here 6. 19 plus 6. How much? 19 plus 6. Write here 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And after that 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now add all these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How much we got, children? 15. 15 means write here 5. Take carry into the tens place. 110 to the tens column. Now add all these tens. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. How much? 2 only. Write here 2. Now 8 plus 3. Write here 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then next number is 3. Write 3 lines. Okay. Now count all these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now 11 means write 1 in the ones column and carry 110 to the tens column. Now 1 plus 2, how much? Write here 1 line. After that 2 is there means write here 2 lines. 6 is there means write 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now add all these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we write here 9. By using lines also you can write. If it is easy means you can write using lines. You can add it. Otherwise you can add with your fingers only. Okay, now 8 plus 2. Now 8, keep in your mind, 2 is in your finger. 8 after 9, 10. 10 means which one is ones? 0 is in ones place, 1 is in tens place. Now write 0 in the ones column and carry 110 to the tens column. Now add the tens, all the tens. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Next sum, 4 plus 9. First we will add ones place. 4 plus 9. 9 keep in your mind, 4 in your fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 means write 3 in ones column and 1 carry 1 10 to the tens column. Now 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 7, 8, 9. Yes, correct. Now 54 plus 39 equals 93. Next sum, 66 plus 25. Now 6 plus 5. We will add first ones column. Now 6 keep in your mind, 5 in your finger. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Write here 11. Write here ones. ones. Write 1 in the ones column and carry 110 to the tens column. Now add the tens. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2, yes. 7 after, count it children. 8, 9. Write here 9 under the tens column. Write 9 under the tens column. Next sum, 74 plus 46. 4 plus 6. First we will add 4 plus 6. Yes, 6 is the bigger number, keep in your mind, and 4 keep in your finger. 6 after, 7, 8, 9, 10. Write here 10. 0 is in ones place. Write here 0 in the, write 0 in the ones column and carry 110 to the tens column. Now 7 plus 1, how much children? Yes, 8. 7 plus 1, 8. Now add it 4. 8 after, yes, say along with me. 8 after, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right here, 12. Next sum, 8th sum, 29 plus 57. 29 plus 57. 9 keep in your mind, 7 in your fingers. 5, 6, 7. Now, 9 after, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Right here, 16 and 6. Write 6 in the ones column and carry 110 to the tens column. Now 1 plus 2, yes, 3. Now 3 in your mind, 5 in your finger. Okay. 3 after, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right here, 8 under the tens column. Now 29 plus 57 equals 86. You also write these sums in your textbook children. And also last main is there in your textbook. 29 plus 57 we did it already here. You can after writing in your textbook you can do it in your classwork. Write classwork also. Here find the sum. Page number 118. Find the sum. Color the fish using the color code. Here sum they are given and color also. If we get 60, we will put color light green. If we get the answer 85 means we will put dark green color. If we get 21 means we will put orange color for this fish. Now 12 plus 9. Now we will add ones. 9 plus 2 how much? Yes, 9 after. Take out your 2 fingers. 9 after, 10, 11. 11 means 1 you write, another 1 10 you can take into the tens column. Now 1 plus 1 how much children? Yes, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. Now 21 we get answer means sum means we will put orange color. You put orange color for this fish. Okay, orange color. Next 18 plus 3. 8 plus 3 how much children? 8 plus 3. 8 keep in your mind. 3 in your fingers. 8 after. 9, 10, 11. 11 means write here 1. Take carry. 110 to the tens place. Now 1 plus 1 how much? Yes, 21. Yes, here also we got 21. For this fish also put it orange color. Okay children. Next sum. 28 plus 32. 8 plus 2. 8 after 9, 10. Right here 0. Take carry here in tens place. Now add it. 2 plus 1. 3. 3 plus 3. 3 after 4, 5, 6. 3 plus 3, 6. We get 60 answers. So we will put light green color. You have no crayons. Use the crayons to do the color for this fish. Next sum, 38 plus 47. Here 8 keep in your mind, 7 in your finger. 5, 6, 7. Yes, 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 means write here 5. Take carry 1. 3 plus 1 how much? 4. 4 plus 4? 8. Here we got 85. So we should write here green color. Put it dark green color. Next 55 plus 5. 5 plus 5 how much children? 10. Write here 0. Take carry 1. 5 plus 1? 6. Here we got 60. So put it light green color for this fish. Okay, I hope everybody understood this mathematics. I hope everybody understood this mathematics addition with carrying. Okay, everybody write all these sums in your classwork. Okay, next week I'll continue the addition stories until you practice all the mains in your textbook and classwork also. Okay, thank you children.